I'm so happy to be here in beautiful Bazhong in Sichuan, China, and we're starting off our 3-day journey for the ICF Canoeing Marathon World Cup. We're so excited.
Hi everyone, my name is Matt, and it is my first time in Bazhong. The scenery is amazing, the air is so fresh, and I'm excited to be here. This is the 3rd time this has been held in China, and it's first time in Bazhong. We're excited to see it.
Our adventure in Bazhong is about to begin. What's our first stop?
The Nankai Caves, are you ready?
I am so ready.
Let's go.
Let's go. We're here. Bazhong is a perfect destination all year round with its green mountains and blue waters. Actually, did you know this is considered one of the cities in China with the healthiest climate?
Really? I didn't know that.
Yeah, the air is very fresh, right?
I agree. So right now, we're at the Nankai Caves, which is so cool. It's actually a historical site in China, and I'm excited to go check it out. You want to go check it out?
Yes.
All right, let's go.
Shall we?
Yes.
Let's go. Nice to see you again. Today is May 23rd, the first day of the ICF Canoe Marathon World Cup in Bazhong, China. And I'm from Spain, so I'm really rooting for the Spanish participants.
The atmosphere is super lively. They've got live screens broadcasting, and I'm super excited. Why don't we go cheer them on? Let's go.
Let's go cheer them on.
Okay, let's go.
Today is May 24th, the ICF Canoe Marathon World Cup. It's reaching its grand finale, and winners of all categories are going to be decided very soon.
So 3 whole days of competition, it's been super impressive. The level of the international standards, the professional of the athletes. I'm super excited. Do you want to go watch the finale?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Hello,
What's your name?
my name is Lara Booth. I'm from Argentina.
You just competed, right?
Yeah.
How did it go?
It's so tired, but it's fine. I'm so excited because it's my first time in China.
First time in China?
Yeah, I like so the city and the people.
Nice.
I'm competing in K1, so 19 kilometers.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Good luck.
Yes, good luck.
Thank you.
We have shared our experience, the local life, and the canoe marathon with people from all over the world, and hopefully more and more of them will come to Bazhong to discover this beautiful place.
These 3 days in Bazhong have been really fulfilling. The competition, the scenery, the fresh air. I had a great time.
Bazhong has an incredible ecological environment, a rich local life, and so much delicious food. It perfectly balances sports events with cultural tourism and scenery, attracting tourists and boosting urban development.
Bazhong is a city that you can travel all year round, with mountains and rivers, canyons, and breathtaking red leaves in the fall. Historical culture tours or discover the ancient towns, you won't want to leave.